So guys, for today's video, lalabas tayo and then mamamasyal tayo ngayon sa labas. Ito yung view dito. Mainit ang araw ngayon. So yun, daming palm tree dito. Ayan ang center or city ng Tenerife. Dito yung parating may show. Dito ginaganap yung nila event. And dito tayo sa loob ng hotel natin. Dito yung nila program na ginaganap every evening. Mas dito yung view. Makikita natin yung view from this salon. Ayan. Yun ang reception doon. So here, dito yung tingnan niyo yung view natin sa labas. Tapos meron silang minibar dito. Yung minibar nila open siya ng gabi, not the day night, every time. Dito, iba dito yung minibar, iba din doon sa, sa swimming pool na minibar. Yan. Guys, dito sa terrace, tignan niyo may puno dito na saging. Ano siya? Yung saging na pang halaman lang. Ayan. Ito yung sa labas. Tignan niyo guys yung view. Super nice.
Mira, ella no quiere curarse porque no quiere hacer tres.
Ayan.
Estaba ya metodilla porque con armario, los chicos de la situación, a veces duda. Si quiero duda,
Ito yung resort natin from here. From dito hanggang doon, sa dulo hanggang doon. Ayan, makikita natin. Tapos ito yung view. Tignan niyo yung dito yung palm tree. Super nice. Daming palm tree dito. From here hanggang dito. Daming palm tree dito guys. Yun lang, bye-bye. Guys, here meron silang ganitong plants. Merry Christmas. Sa Christmas. Meron din silang yellow one. Here you can have the juice. And then, ito yung reception. So guys, we are going outside and we go to the Loro Park. This Loro Park is a park that is famous here. And this is the view here from our hotel. Going down. There's a lot of palm tree here. Small palm tree, big palm tree, and then a lot of banana. I like this tree.
yes, I have
Beautiful.
Some of these, yeah, when they fall, you get this.
So nice, the trees here, so beautiful. Guys, tignan ninyo ang palm tree. May bunga na siya. Then, bababa na tayo.
You take your wallet,
Yes.
your phones.
Yes. Guys, tignan ninyo anong bulaklak to. Ang dami. Ano siya.
Onhan tuo, mutta kun ei jotain nyt ongelmaa
Yan,
tuosta
tara na.
korkeudesta tavallaan. Kun
Ang dami.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So beautiful, guys. So colorful. Wait. Tingnan niyo yung flowers. Tapos ang daming banana doon. So beautiful, a lot of flowers. So like a grass flowers. Guys, look, the aloe vera, the stem is like a tree. Very big. And then this is the aloe vera, the normal aloe vera.
And it's black on the sides.
And that's the palm tree. May bunga na siya. So guys, tignan niyo. Gaano kaganda yung park dito.
On va
Super
quand même rester là
nice.
parce que là pour l'instant on a un objectif.
Yes. Super nice. Super nice yung mga plant dito. Tingnan niyo. Tapos yung mga ano nila. Ayan. Ganito yung mga plants dito sa Tenerife Island. Guys, tignan ninyo, ang daming palm tree dito. Tapos, ayun ang view. Makikita ninyo ang sea water. Of course, nasa island tayo kaya meron. Obvious. Palm tree talaga na amazing. Ang ganda ng palm tree. So guys, malapit na tayo sa ating pupuntahan sa Loro Park. Ayan. Pero dadaan tayo dito. Nice! Super nice view! Ayan.
Big waves, huh?
Yes. Ang daming tao naliligo ngayon. Sonte. Ganda. Daming tao naliligo ngayon. Yun, pupuntahan natin yung nakasulat doon. Super nice. Mag-walk papunta doon sa Loro Park. Para sa Brazil. Look. There's one like this. Ayan ang pupuntahan natin. Tao naliligo ngayon kasi super nice ang weather, the temperature. Wow, gusto ko mag-join doon ng volleyball. May naglalarong volleyball doon. Ayun, magba-volleyball sila doon. Kunan natin ng picture dito. So nice, you know?
Not really swimming, they're just putting their feet.
And there's a lot of people playing volleyball.
And you see it's already a red flag. They're not supposed to swim.
Red flag means no swim.
They can stay just on this. If there's nobody in the water, they just... Waves are very strong.
We are going here to this park. So guys, tignan ninyo guys, ang boulevard nila dito, para siyang boulevard. Yan.
Vamos a ver, píllalo.
If ang tao may embassy, ang animals meron din.
It's in fact more than 50 years old.
Super ganda talaga. So we are here now.
Maybe it's closed, yes.
It's closed. You cannot see it's closed.
So maybe it's
So
closed
guys,
on Sunday.
maybe it's closed.
But we can go there and then we come back to the seashore.
Okay.
Lo tengo duro como dice. We have to go in.
Yes. Daming tao guys.
C'est bon, on avance.
Guys, we are here now. And this is the roundabout of the place where we are going to visit. So beautiful. And that's the Loro Park. And there's an elephant. It's like a Thailand. So guys, we are here. We're going to get a ticket. And the design is like a Thailand. C'est combien? 22?
44.
Ah,
On n'est pas résident.
guys, tignan ninyo yung price. Mahal siya. Ayan. So guys, we are here now. We will do the scanning of our ticket and we get inside of the Loro Park. This is the entrance, the first entrance, and we go. It's a lot of people. Okay, here we are seeing a lot of fish.
I see a black fish. I see a black one. I see one which is blended.
It's blended with the rocks, right? Blending it.
On this side, you can watch more. On y va?
Is that so much? Here, there's a lot of bougainvillea plants. So that's a lot of plants.
Kaya punya separuh.
There's a lot of bamboo.
Very big bamboo.
Yes. We're entering now. No, we are now inside. You can see it's so beautiful.
Something?
No. So nice yung mga plant, ang ganda, tapos hindi masyado. And continue. The gorilla is not there.
I saw the girl.
No. No. So beautiful. It's so green. A lot of people.
He looks like the boss.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah. It's so beautiful also. So guys, tignan niyo. Yes.
There, there's the building.
Вон горилла, смотри. Вон она сидит. Мир, видишь, спиной. Мир, вот видишь?